All right, so we've hit a bit of a snafu.
Yeah.
We reserved a truck and
They gave it away.
they gave it away. Can we walk out there, Daddy?
Huh? Oh yeah, just be careful. Let me check it, okay? All right, come on.
Yeah.
How about I hold one of your hands? Mommy's already got responsibility of two. All right, guys, who wants to go back in the car and start it up and warm up?
Yeah, let's go warm up. All right, hold on to Daddy, Gracie.
Oh yeah, there's definitely work that's required on this, but it's ours. Dang.
It's moving day. We are getting ready to go get the U-Haul trailer soon.
Yes.
And we're off. We're off to our farm. So here's the big pile of everything. And pretty much it is go time. You need posse. Alright, so we've hit a bit of a snafu.
Yeah.
We reserved a truck and
They gave it away.
they gave it away. So we are now waiting for this random thrift store to open because they apparently deal with U-Haul trucks as well.
Mm-hmm.
And so
Yes, we're waiting. Right out front. And we have people, probably about 15 plus
probably
people.
showing up at the house about right now.
Yeah, showing up right about now,
So-
waiting on us. We should have been there 30 minutes ago with the truck. And we've just been sitting and waiting for the next truck place to open.
Moving day.
Yep. Thanks, U-Haul.
So the game plan for today is to get this truck finally. Hopefully.
Mhm.
Hopefully we get a truck. And then we are going back home to the old house now. It's not home anymore. We're gonna load up the truck as much as we can. We're gonna try and get everything in one go if we possibly can, but I don't know if it's all gonna fit.
Yeah.
And then
We'll Tetris pack it.
yeah, we'll do our best. And then we are going to take the first load over, and the kids are going to be there with me and your mom. And we'll be like unpacking some of the stuff that we're gonna need in the next couple of days while you go back and get the last of the stuff, I guess.
Yeah, we'll go back and make the final trip. Make sure we get all the appliances and all the last little stuff and
Yep.
get everything cleaned out. And anything out in the yard, lawnmower.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll get the swing set today too. Take
Yeah.
that apart, put that on the trailer.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Nathan and Grace were very concerned about that this morning. They kept asking if what you were doing to their swing set. So.
Yeah,
All right, well, we'll see you again in a little bit.
hopefully.
After the thrift store opened, we got a truck and managed to make it back right after everyone arrived to help us. Loading went pretty quickly, and by 1 p.m. we were able to head out with the first load. Our first load took a while to get unloaded since it included a lot of the boxes and smaller items. We had a few casualties in this load. Gracie's headboard broke and our swing set got damaged, but we should be able to fix the boards on the swing set that snapped, and Gracie's headboard was just a thrift store find, so it was only a $20 loss. Everything else made it just fine. We got the first load unloaded and ordered pizzas for everyone, and we got the second load done by probably about 7 p.m. That night, we were able to sleep in the new house for the first time.
Guys, what do you think?
They're saying it's cool.
What is it? What are you sitting inside of?
A moving truck?
Hey, Gracie. Nathan, is this a big moving truck?
Yeah.
Is it a big moving truck, Gracie?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Hey. Did we just move with this big truck? Alright, isn't this cool? Alright. Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Want to do it again? It's the last time we're gonna be in this house. You wanna go say goodbye to the house? Yeah? You say goodbye to your old room? You think so?
Uh-huh.
I don't think we're gonna come back, buddy.
Oh! Someone just has to move to our new house.
That's right, we're moving to our new house.
It's our time film. Farewell, little house. It's the
Boo. Boo. You like it?
Monday night was the first night that we got to really enjoy the house and just relax in it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us on moving weekend. Like and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.